I've got an interesting problem here. We've recently had a large earthquake in one of our major towns, and one of the major problems is the removal of buildings. So for example, in this building here, I've got a commercial building with 6 stories, and I've used columns, walls and slabs to create the three-dimensional structure. Wouldn't it be good if Vectorworks could then use the three-dimensional objects that I've created here and actually track the volumes, so I knew how much concrete I had to remove? It's actually very easy to do. I've created a column report which just lists the volume of the columns. It reports how many of each height. I've got the slabs, the volume of my slabs, and the volumes of my walls. And to prove that it's working, I'd like to create another similar wall. So let's just make a copy of this wall and we'll put it in here. So I've added a little wall to that. Let's update my concrete volume report and see if it finds that wall. And you can see the volume changed by a couple of cubic meters. This gives me the ability to calculate how many cubic meters of concrete I've got here. If I was quick, I might also want to know the weight of the concrete. Now the weight of the concrete is equal to that volume times, it's 2300 I think, kilos per cubic meter. So we've got 641 tons of concrete we have to remove. That will give us an idea of how many trucks we needed and how much work it would take to get that stuff away.